everybody for being here on a Sunday morning. सब आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया. My name is Dawood Waid. I think सबसे important ये है कि this is primarily a meeting for a road ahead. और focus हमारी meeting का I'll be very brief. मैं आप लोग से whatever I'll have conversations with you, मैं आप लोग से जो बात करूँगा. I know there are a lot of parents and this is not a PTM. PTM के साथ साथ especially this meeting has been arranged for the road ahead. आगे हमको क्या करना है, क्या planning हमारी है, and also about specifically the role of ARC School. मैं जानता हूँ कि ज़्यादातर यहाँ ARC School खारगर के parents हैं, and most of you are concerned कि what is the relationship with the school. So just एक journal में आपको conversation में आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, and then I'll take it forward. सबसे पहले the first thing, and I'll have to be bilingual in Hindi, Urdu and English for the benefit of parents. ये थोड़ी request है मुझे school की तरफ से, so I'll be like that. First of all, thank you for being the parents for so long. आप लोग में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं who have joined in just a month back, some 2 months back, and as an organization, pandemic में last April, I just remember last April में the idea was, जब मेरे दोस्तों ने they started the idea, कुछ ना कुछ मुझे करना था online. I started doing some small courses for the children. और मैंने I have studied from Crescent Engineering College, Chennai. That is now the Anna University तब थी. So we had a lot of friends. So मेरी जो alumni है मेरे दोस्तों की, they are all over the world. Most of them, बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में भी हैं, थोड़े लोग बहुत सारे गल्फ में चले गए हैं. Few of them are in Australia, Hobart में. One of my best friend is in Australia. अभी भी क्रिकेट खेलता है, तो we keep talking about each other. कौन ज़्यादा एक्टिव है? And जब उनके बच्चों को I just did a small life skill course, they loved it a lot. And I can speak very good Tamil by the way. और साथ ही साथ the idea was कि उन्होंने कहा कि anyway our children are going online schooling, और the passion, the joy जो उनको यहाँ मजा आ रहा है, I'm not saying anything credit, जो teachers हैं मेरी, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा जो छोटे-छोटे sessions थे हमारे, and that time I had a lot of guests coming in. So I still remember few sessions were taken by Aparna ma'am, जो अभी she's in Ghatkopar itself, हमारी arts की leader हैं, she's a good friend, but because we are in Navi Mumbai, Nerul, we never got the opportunity to get such talented people and teachers. It could be anybody. It could be Anubhuti ma'am now, who is all the way in Lucknow, or it could be Malika ma'am, जो वसई में है, या Aishwarya ma'am, जो पूना में है, and Nargis ma'am, and all of the world suddenly became small. दुनिया बहुत छोटी हो गई. One of the best thing that COVID-19 did, और मैं best इसलिए कहता हूँ कि education के perspective से मैं जानता हूँ we all had personal losses and it's not nice as a pandemic, as a flu. ये कोई बहुत खुशी की बात नहीं है, but ये challenge है. या तो आप इसको accept कीजिए, या तो आप इसको deny करते रहें, आंख बंद करते रहें. It's called elephant in the room कि ये problem है, मैं problem को address नहीं कर रहा हूँ. However, COVID-19 ने एक चीज क्या की कि education को आपके घर में लाके रख दिया. And when education came inside your house, ये शिक्षा, ये तालीम, ये जो आपके घर में आ गया, you could gauge it, you could see it, you could start observing education, and today the content became the priority. पहले होता था कि PTM में हम पेरेंट्स से मिलते हैं and we used to speak to the teachers, and the teachers जो बताते थे, that was the reality, because you did not know what happened inside the classroom. Today classroom आपके घर में आ गया, and it is something to be very proud as a parent कि आप लोग ने इसको खुले दिल से accept किया, you embraced it, you accepted the entire thing. But today also, because classroom came in, the parents started becoming, अरे ये ऐसा पढ़ाना चाहिए, वो ऐसा पढ़ाना चाहिए. And every Tuesday हमारी हब स्कूलिंग की टीचर्स की मीटिंग होती है, ना बहुत प्यारी सी बात है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कन्वर्सेशन मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. Some of the teachers complain that Daud sir, अब पेरेंट्स हमको बता रहे कि आपने ये गलत पढ़ाया, आपकी पिच बहुत हाई है, आपने ये बहुत फास्ट पढ़ा दिया, आपने ये सब्जेक्ट अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ाया. What should we do? I said this is the lesson. एक छोटी सी कन्वर्सेशन मेरी पेरेंट्स के साथ हुई. मैंने उनको पूछा कि डू यू थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी विल रिप्लेस टीचर्स? डू यू थिंक ये आज जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो टीचर्सों को रिप्लेस हटा देंगे? एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम डिड नॉट नो द आंसर टू दिस. अ लॉट ऑफ देम सेड यस. लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंट टीचर्स सेड नहीं ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. एंड देन आई टोल्ड देम टेक्नोलॉजी विल नेवर रिप्लेस टीचर्स. जितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी बड़ी हो जाए, जितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी आगे चले जाए, टेक्नोलॉजी कभी भी टीचर्स को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकती. बट teachers who learn technology will replace teachers who do not learn technology. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. What I mean to say is, जो टीचर्स टेक्नोलॉजी को सीख लेंगे, वो टीचर्स जो टेक्नोलॉजी को नहीं जानते हैं, they'll always have an advantage over it. That is where we said you have to learn Google Classroom. You have to learn how to smartly work on Zoom. And I realized there was a challenge in yellow class some days back. It was in Monica ma'am's class that somebody came in. Probably वो आज भी आ सकते हैं. Okay, what happens now? इसको कहते हैं Zoom bombing. In the education world also, in business world also, it's very popular. Zoom bombing का मतलब है कोई और ये links हमारी ही पहचान वाले. Lot of research has shown ये Zoom bomb करने वाले कोई नए लोग नहीं रहते. It could be some of your cousin. आपके बच्चे ने, आपने किसी को लिंक भेज दी, वो उन्होंने देखा, वो बच्चों को बदमाशी करने का मौका मिला, they came in and what I saw is वो stupid idiot वो चैट में लिखने लगे. So now what teacher should do is teacher should be smarter. I should know how to disable a chat. I should know how to make the chat to host only. I should immediately know how to lock a security meeting. छोटी छोटी चीजें you're improving on it, and that's how life goes. Life इस तरह आगे बढ़ती है. Now that is one advantage that हम लोग ने as teacher community, and I've got some fantastic teachers from around the world. One of my wonderful two best friends in teacher community is Nagma Sheikh ma'am, जो CAI कैम्ब्रिज की ऑथर हैं, कैम्ब्रिज की टीचर्स की हेड है, इंग्लिश में शेक्सपियर से शी लव्स शेक्सपियर, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाती हैं. और एक डॉक्टर जया पारेख है, रामरत्न इंटरनेशनल मीरा भयंदर में उनकी स्कूल है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल्स इन बॉम्बे. एंड आई कीप डिस्कसिंग कि ये फ्यूचर क्या होने वाला है. As much as they are part of the school, और ये बहुत बड़ी बात है उनके तरफ से, बड़ा खुला दिल है उनका और जहन खुला है. वो कहते हैं कि स्कूल हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. स्कूल एक रियल एस्टेट है, मुझे चलानी है, इसीलिए हम बच्चों को कैसे भी लेके आएंगे स्कूल में, और ये जरूरी भी है. पर अगर एक नया वेव आ गया कोविड का, एक नया और एक नया केस आ गया जो दुबई में हुआ है. हमारी कंसल्टेंट थी प्री प्राइमरी की तंजीम खतीब मैम, जो अभी अच्छी दोस्त है. शी इज पार्ट ऑफ द स्कूल इन गोल्डन स्पैरो, दुबई में टीचर है. दुबई ने बहुत जल्दबाजी की स्कूल शुरू करने के लिए, और स्कूल में बच्चे तो आ गए, पर क्या हुआ, अगर एक भी केस आ गया, और ऐसे 3-4 केस आ गए, सडनली दे हैड टू गो बैक टू द ओल्ड वे. सारी स्कूल्स को बंद करना पड़ा. I'm not telling you don't go for school. I am pro school. I want schools to open. I want children to go to school. मैं खुद अपनी बेटियों को स्कूल भेजना चाहता हूँ. What I know is the world has changed. मैं ये जानता हूँ आज की दुनिया इतनी बदल गई. मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन आपके लिए रखा था. I don't think I want to go through just the presentation and talk, but the world has changed so much. You allow me 5 minutes of sharing this conversation with you. मैं आप लोगों को शेयर करूंगा, and I'll share something very interesting. As much as आप लोग अपना टाइम spend करते हैं, some parents at their society meeting, ma'am, I request you go for the meeting. ये meeting recorded है, हम आपके लिए अपलोड कर देंगे. You can watch it again. It's prioritization. So learning जो है, एक बहुत प्यारी रिवायत है कि learn from womb to tomb. नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की हदीस है कि जैसे पैदा होते हो तब तक when you end you start learning. आज मेरे बहुत my mentor, my उस्ताद शेख आर.के. नूर हफिज़हुल्लाह, अब जो नहीं रहे, शेख आर.के. नूर was a great luminary. चेन्नई में थे, he passed away due to COVID-19. Suddenly we're saying वो हर बार, all I saw him is books. Today learning has become a source. आप कहीं भी सीख सकते हैं. That is the point. Is online learning, हमको लगता है it's like saying something to somebody, क्या WhatsApp is it teaching? Yes, WhatsApp में आप इतना पढ़ लेते हैं, it is compared to like reading a book. Online world इस तरह हो गया. Online learning is also learning. आज Twitter से revolution हो गया. And I just want to run through some other thing. They're saying learning to know. आज हमारी दुनिया बहुत छोटी हो गई है. If you know, थोड़े साल पहले इजिप्ट में बहुत बड़ा इनकलाब रेवोल्यूशन आया था. This revolution is just because of some Twitter message. I don't endorse or agree. I'm giving you facts. मैं हिस्ट्री पढ़ाता हूँ. मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि दुनिया का जो नक्शा बदल गया है. एयरपोर्ट्स एक टाइम था भर गया था. कल मैं कोयम्बतूर से फ्लाई करके आया, and I flew after 1 year. पूरे एयरपोर्ट्स खाली हो गए. Airports are empty now. Why? World changes very fast. So what I'm trying to explain to you, मैं जो आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ with this example, ये दो अलग अलग कंट्रीज है दुनिया की. दो अलग अलग उनके पर्सपेक्टिव्स है, दो अलग अलग उनकी सोच है. I know I'm not doing a quiz here, वरना बच्चों के साथ मैं गेम खेलता हूँ. एक कंट्री फॉर्मर यूएसएसआर की है, उज्बेकिस्तान. ये जो आपको चांद तारे वाले दिख रहे, and this is Finland. On the index of learning, दुनिया में एक टेस्ट होता है पीसा करके. पीसा में ये दो सबसे ज्यादा एजुकेटेड कंट्रीज गिने जाते हैं. उज्बेकिस्तान से अगर आप लोग if you do research or scholarly work, it is the land of Imam Bukhari, one of the greatest muhaddis that we know of. फिनलैंड का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही है कि बच्चे 6 साल तक तो स्कूल ही नहीं जाते हैं. दे ओनली गो टू स्कूल वेयर दे कैन वॉक थ्रू. फिनलैंड में टीचर्स के बिलबोर्ड्स होते हैं, जैसे मैं अभी चेन्नई में रजनीकांत का बिलबोर्ड देख के आया. टीचर्स आर रॉक स्टार्स इन फिनलैंड. क्यों ऐसा? बिकॉज वो प्रायोरिटाइजेशन की बात है. मैं जो आप लोग से शेयर करना चाह रहा हूं, जो आप लोग को आई विल कम टू द पॉइंट. आई एम सेइंग लर्निंग का आज कोई एक दायरा नहीं हो गया है. लर्निंग इज नॉट कन्फाइंड टू क्लासरूम्स अलोन. जैसे आज शॉपिंग इज नॉट कन्फाइंड टू मॉल्स अलोन. आप मोबाइल में बैठते हैं, आपकी पूरी दुनिया शॉपिंग की हो जाती है. आप मोबाइल में बैठते हैं, आज डिजी लॉकर है, आपको आधार कार्ड, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस कैरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड सो मच. Isn't it? आरोग्य सेतु मैंने डाउनलोड किया, एयरपोर्ट में खाली पूछा आर यू सेफ और नॉट सेफ. अगर ये ऐप गलत बताएगा, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. ये हमारा ट्रस्ट ऐप पे आ गया है. सो व्हाई नॉट वी टेक द लीप फॉरवर्ड. आई थिंक मैंने आप लोग से आर्क स्कूल के पेरेंट्स से प्राइमरली प्रॉमिस किया था, December 15th यू ज्वाइन द स्कूल गोल्डन स्पैरो हब, एंड आई टोल्ड यू गिव मी 100 days. 100 days में आपके बच्चों को आई विल मेक श्योर दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट अगेन. ट्रस्ट मी. जब उन्होंने दिसंबर में when they joined the class, they were not willing to open up their cameras. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है ना. एज पेरेंट्स आपके भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं है, आप मेरे घर में इनवाइटेड है, यू आर माय गेस्ट, बट इट्स ओके. माय टीचर्स कंप्लेन, सर आई डोंट नो ये येलो क्लास में कौन बच्चे हैं, आई डोंट नो देम. आई सेड होल्ड ऑन, पेशेंस. पीपल कंप्लेन कि सर आई जस्ट कांट रिलेट टू देम. वो कैमरा ऑफ कर देते हैं, मैं उनका नाम पुकारता हूं तो दे डोंट कम. आई सेड गिव मी सम टाइम. I'm proud to say, येलो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं because उजैर, जुबिया थी, अलीम है. These are some, so Yusuf करके just joined in. I'm so proud today. My teacher sent a snapshot to me and said, sir, this is a group selfie. सारे बच्चों के कैमरास ऑन थे. ट्रस्ट जो है ना, ट्रस्ट, भरोसा जो है ना, बहुत टाइम लगता है भरोसा जीतने के लिए. स्टीवन कवी ने किताब लिखी है, ट्रस्ट इज मोर डेलिकेट देन ग्लास. एक बार भरोसा टूट गया, कभी ये बढ़ नहीं सकता. रिलेशनशिप, आई एम अ कोच जो काउंसलिंग करता हूं मैं, ओनली लिमिटेड टू कपल्स, एंड आई से इट्स लाइक दैट. दो तरह के भरोसे. एक होता है क्रम्बल पेपर. आप पेपर लीजिए, उसको मोड़ दीजिए, वो आप कितना भी स्ट्रेट करेंगे ना, उसकी रिंकल्स जो है, क्रीजेस है, वो हमेशा रहेंगी. ये ट्रस्ट की बात है. आज 100 days, आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से, आज as I talk to you, 100 days हो गए मेरे. आई एम टॉकिंग, जो प्रॉमिस मैंने आपके किया था, 100 days में चिल्ड्रन हैव ओपनड अप देयर कैमरास. इसका मतलब उन्होंने अपने दिल को, अपने दिमाग को, दे ओपनड अप टू माय टीचर्स, एंड दिस इज थैंक टू यू. आपने एनकरेज किया, आपने क्वेश्चंस किया, आपने सवाल पूछे, एंड दिस इज माय फर्स्ट गोल अचीव्ड. ये पहला गोल था, दैट इज अचीव्ड. Please let me know if others also cannot listen. I hope you all can hear me all loud and clear.
We can hear you.
Thank you so much, Christina ma'am. So now the goal number 2 is, what about the exams? Do not worry for the exams. I'm telling you because this is the first time they're going to give an online examination. Trust me, मेरे लिए सारे बच्चे winners हैं. And I am a big proponent. I work with some of the best people in Delhi, and I know in NEP, in the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, the SSA that we know about, there are no failures. Life में failures नहीं होते, life में खाली learners होते हैं. So all your children will get a proper summarized report card. Do not worry with the exams. I know some of the mothers like, exam aa rahi, padhiye. I want them to study. But the teachers have been told to be generous because it's a COVID year. बच्चों ने अपने दोस्तों से, they have not met, they have not gone out to restaurants, they have not done shopping, they have not done football, right? So exams will be easy. I will not tell this to the children. मैं आप लोग का parents, आप कल जाके please don't tell the children, अरे exam के लिए मत पढ़ना. I want them, yes, please go ahead, anyone wants to leave. But the point is, tell your children that prepare for the exams. आसान एग्जाम होगी, फन एग्जाम होगी. ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम चैलेंजिंग द स्टूडेंट्स विद सम काइंड ऑफ एग्जाम्स. आपको भी आइडिया नहीं है, बिकॉज हम पूरी जिंदगी ऐसी एग्जाम लिखते हैं, मत सीखो, एक दूसरे मत पढ़ो, एंड देन सडनली कॉलेज में आते हैं और जॉब में आते हैं, बोलते कोलैबोरेशन, साथ मिलके काम करो. सो द आइडिया पूरा हमारा फोकस है कि वी नीड टू मेक देम क्विक लर्नर्स, बेटर लर्नर्स. What we need to do is, दूसरी बात, what is the future of Golden Sparrow Hub Schooling? Today, what I can promise you is, in 100 days, we also learned a lot. जितने बच्चों के लिए ये एक्सपीरियंस नया है, वो हमारे लिए भी नया. ऑफ कोर्स हमने रिसर्च किया, बहुत background काम करते हैं, teachers करते हैं, but we also learned that we want to create more classes. अभी चूंकि numbers were limited, the trust that I'm getting, I've got mothers from all the way, parents who directly, and I told them my number is there on the WhatsApp. शायद कॉल्स में ज्यादा नहीं ले पाता हूं, बट यू आर कंफर्टेबल व्हाट्सएप में. क्रिस्टीना मैम उनका नंबर व्हाट्सएप में, फैजल सर उनका नंबर व्हाट्सएप में, अगर आप स्कूल में है अनवर सर का नंबर है, सनोवर मिस का नंबर है. यू नो टुडे दैट इज द ट्रांसपेरेंसी. यू नो माय हाउस, सम ऑफ यू नो मी पर्सनली. रीच आउट, अगर आपको चैलेंज है रीच आउट टू मी. सो वन ऑफ द प्रॉमिस जो मैं आपसे कर रहा हूं इज आफ्टर दिस एग्जामिनेशन, जो बहुत रिलैक्स, बहुत कंफर्टेबल एग्जामिनेशन होगी, children will graduate to the next one. Examination will be in the first week of April. Pre-primary parents के लिए examination नहीं है. Why pre-primary parents के examination नहीं है? Because teachers are assessing them as the class is going on. छोटे बच्चे हैं, you know what is COVID year में उनका क्या मैं exam लूँ? They all smart, they all are brilliant. So pre-primary parent can relax. We'll have one last party day. After the party, online party है. मैं party तो बोल रहा हूँ, पर आपको ही अपने puffs और cakes देने होंगे आपके बच्चों को. But we will close the school on 31st of March. प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी बच्चों के लिए भी 31st मार्च स्कूल विल एंड. अप्रैल फर्स्ट वीक 1 to 7 के बीच में एग्जाम्स हो जाएगी. 15th के पहले आपको रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिल जाएंगे. You will get all the updates on that, and we will restart the school in the first week of June. Ramadan is coming in, enjoy it. Some courses are coming in, मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताऊंगा. You can join those life skill courses, SDG courses, SIRA courses. You can join them on your free will. Schools will start from 1st of June. But for me to prepare for the school, like any school, we will start the school preparation. जैसे हमने आप लोगों को कहा था 31st March we extended it. उसके पहले अगर आप लोग रजिस्टर करते हैं, आप लोग फर्स्ट जो 1/3 इंस्टॉलमेंट दे देते हैं, so there will be no change in the fee structure that we have proposed to you. 2,200 rupees per month की फीस है. Whatever Faisal sir is aware of it, others are aware of it. Please register. You will get a link to it. Confirm, so I know the children. मैं लिमिटेड बच्चों को रखना चाहता हूं. I will not add more children and I will focus on very high quality education teaching. ये मेरी प्रॉमिस है. We have joined hand with an LMS system called Next Education. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि किससे ज्वाइन कर रहे आपको नहीं बताएं. You have complete access. Next की बुक Amazon में अवेलेबल है. आपको फिजिकल बुक चाहिए, you can absolutely go and take the book, but we'll give the online version of it. बच्चों को proper education मिलेगी. हमको अभी बहुत limited time मिला. In that limited time, I promise you the children का trust और confidence मैंने जीता. उनका भरोसा और उनके अंदर से जो confidence था, we won that. Now for the next academic year, I promise you that there'll be no compromise in the education, and that was never there. ये जो teachers आ रहे हैं, they are some of the top teachers in the top schools. They have chosen to teach here, and I am very proud of the teaching staff. So now what is next? A lot of parents ask me, Daud sir, हमारे बच्चों का interaction क्या होगा? And I agree with that. I completely agree with that. One option is next December, if the things are relaxed, if the school opens up, and if you want to go to a school, I promise you that December के बाद, एक semester पूरे के बाद, you will be given a proper bona fide certificate from Golden Sparrow, and you will be going. If you want to join a regular school in January 2022, you are absolutely okay to go. It's a trust. One academic semester I give you, you will get the TC, Salim sir or ma'am, TC transfer certificate, because you are part of an NIOS system. Bona fide certificate will work. You know, schools always accepted. I've seen, except for schools like DPS जो already full है, उसको आपको अभी apply करेंगे तो भी शायद आपको नहीं मिलेगा. Most of the schools have vacancy. They take a test, बच्चों का test लेते हैं, and I promise you, with the bona fide from Golden Sparrow and the test that they will appear, they will be able to crack it. If you go to a school, we will make sure that जैसे regular school transition होता है, and we have got examples of school going there. Very importantly, ये साल, as proud as I am, 6 बच्चे are appearing for the 10th examination through NIOS. उसमें मेरी बेटी है, and that's the best part of it. When I say something, I'm not just experimenting, I am doing with my own daughter. My daughter, with most of the other children, were part of Delhi Public World School. 5 एकड़ की जमीन है नेहरू में, very big school. We did not enjoy the education. हमने उनको पहले ही निकाल दिया था before COVID, and today after 2 years they are going back to write their examination through NIOS. NIOS के बारे में मैंने बहुत बताया है. The other day सुनेहा मैम and her husband स्वप्निल सर जो IB के टीचर हैं, उन्होंने फोन किया. I explained. So अगर किसी को भी NIOS के बारे में जानना है, please ask me. I'll share the recording and I'll give you more idea that we are talking about it. Okay, the important part is आपके बच्चे हैं, there are 3 children already in 10th, और भी बच्चे होंगे. Let me know, because for the NIS it's very important. 10th के लिए we have to apply, we have to register with NIS. आपको official government of India NIS is a board. आपको ID कार्ड मिलेगा. ये 6 बच्चों को मिल गया है, and बहुत फख्र की बात है, इन 6 में 3 हाफिज हैं, और उसका शेयर जो है, उसका जो क्रेडिट है, I also give to the Tahfiz Academy run by Abdul Karim Saab, Abu Ubada, right? And they are his students. Of course, it is a part of their learning. वैल्यू एजुकेशन इज इंटीग्रेटेड. हम चाहते हैं बच्चे स्मार्ट हो, आपके बच्चे रिस्पेक्ट जाने, आपके बच्चे पंक्चुअलिटी जाने. ये बहुत बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. मैंने टीचर्स को कहा अभी तक तो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ईयर आप लोग को प्रॉपर जूम लिंक मिलेगी. यू हैव टू रजिस्टर थ्रू एन ईमेल आईडी, एंड चिल्ड्रन विल हैव वेटिंग रूम एनेबल्ड, कि कोई भी आ नहीं सकता है. अगर 10 मिनट बाद आइए, जूम मीटिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि 10 मिनट बाद उठे. पंक्चुअलिटी रहेगी. ऑफ कोर्स यूनिफॉर्म नहीं रहेगा, बट विल टेल देम नो नेक, don't have a round neck t-shirt. This is what we're talking about. I'll take 5 minutes of your time, and I want Faisal sir to explain what next education means. ये सारे बच्चों के लिए हमने लिया है. Faisal, please enable the sound, open the mic, and I want them to hear it. Can you unshare it and enable the computer sound also, Faisal, if you have not done it? Please go ahead, Faisal sir, about next education.
The live lecture feature in
Is the sound?
Yes, we could.
Okay, all right.
allows the teacher to create a virtual classroom. It enables teachers to create a teaching learning environment where students can interact, communicate, and engage with learning resources by just going live for a lecture. The key distinction of this feature is that it makes long-distance learning possible. This feature allows multiple users to be connected at the same time through the internet, which allows users to virtually participate from anywhere. Now, let us see how the live lecture feature actually works. Enter your login credentials. Select LMS from the teacher workspace. From the course library, select the class and grade for which you want to go live. You will be directed to the course summary. Go to course details and select the session. Click on live lecture to start your live session. Once the teacher goes live, students receive a notification for the live lecture. Teachers can also see a list of all the students who have joined the lecture. The live lecture is automatically recorded, and if a student has missed the live lecture, he can play the recorded lecture. That's how easy it is to use the live lecture feature in LMS.
Right, thank you, Faisal sir. Or very simple, the idea of asking you on a Sunday morning ये बताने के लिए कि I know this is a PTM we will do, parents interactions जो है, teachers phone करेंगे after the end of the year, feedback मिलेगा आपको अपने बच्चों के बारे में. But today is about the roadmap. I will open up floor for your question answers and welcome. Usually सबसे ज़्यादा डर मुझे parents के question से लगता है, but I think I have grown as a community. I think I trust you to ask me. Some of you have asked the right things कि आगे क्या है future का. Like I answered बहुत सारे सवाल मैंने answer किया. अगर school खुल गए मुझे वहाँ जाना है, I said give me 1 semester online because I still understand the waves and waves are coming in. और today Elon Musk से लेके Mark Zuckerberg यही बता रहे कि the world has changed. ये skills जो है ये हमारे बच्चों को देनी है. मैं आपके ये प्रॉमिस कर सकता हूं कि the online education world is changing so fast. Your child will not feel left alone. डॉक्टर सुगाता मित्रा बहुत अच्छे एजुकेशन से वो कहते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया ऑनलाइन आ गई, आपका आधा काम ऑनलाइन होता है, आप ऑनलाइन से क्यों डर रहे हैं? मैं ये समझता हूं कि अगर आप जो स्कूल के जो डोनेशंस है और जो फीस है, स्पेशली जो ट्रैवल फीस जो जाती है, आप वो सब बचा रहे, एंड इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वी हैव मेड श्योर जो प्रॉमिस हमने किया है, नॉट 1 रुपी विल बी चार्ज मोर. अगर आप खारगर और एरिया नेरुल में हैं, I don't promise you, but थोड़े मेरे friends हैं आर्क स्कूल में, I want to meet them, and we say that why can't you have football every week? Already I'm doing football every week. You know, I'm already taking children, our parents, father or sons or daughters, they are nothing about no daughters, they come in, they spend their time on football pitch. Why not do that? स्कूल में मैक्सिमम एक स्पोर्ट्स पीरियड मिलता है, क्यों हम नहीं कर सकते? एंड दैट इज समथिंग आई एम आस्किंग, मैं मिल रहा हूँ. दूसरा है, देयर इज अ ब्रिलियंट लाइब्रेरी जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू नेरुल फायर ब्रिगेड. एनरोल देम, यहीं नहीं बेलापुर में है. यू नो, अगर आप और कहीं जगह मुलुंड में है, ट्राई दीज थिंग्स. वीक में एक बार वो लाइब्रेरी लेके जाए. स्कूल में यही होता है, राइट? सो दीज आर थिंग्स दैट आई एम रिकमेंडिंग फॉर यू. Of course, we will plan an outing together. An outing is separate. I'll ask the brothers to help me with it. But academically, जितनी जरूरत है आपको घर में कंफर्टेबली मिल रही है. आप जो सेविंग कर रहे हैं, you know, buy a good gadget, buy a good device. If you have a little more money, buy a laptop. These are long-term investments, because your child will learn PowerPoint, they will learn Excel, they will start writing letters of recommendation on the MS Word, they will start working on Google Slides. आज हमने Scratch introduce किया. फैजल sir himself takes Scratch classes, coding जो White Hat Junior की जो बड़ी-बड़ी बातें होती है, you are already able to benefit from it. और जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आई कांट से सर ये हो रहा है और आपको पता नहीं, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी सीइंग इट लाइव. इफ यू मिस आउट लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्डिंग, इट्स ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड ऑन द यूट्यूब चैनल. सो रिलेशनशिप इस तरह बिल्ड होंगे. एंड आई am someone who believes in relationships. I believe that the way forward is this. I think we are doing some amazing work with your children online. As I said, 10th के बच्चे जो हैं, I spoke to Anwar sir, please don't delay, immediately register. I will need some certificates for 10th. आपके आधार कार्ड, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, लाइट बिल चाहिए मुझे, बच्चों की फोटोग्राफ चाहिए, एंड द सिग्नेचर चाहिए. And I'll tell you what I need. I have few other questions for parents qualification. ये ऑफिशियली मैं भर रहा हूँ. 3rd, 5th और 8th के जो बच्चे रहेंगे, उनको भी I will register, but not this year immediately, because this year government have relaxed a lot of rules. You will officially be like a CBSE student होता है. You will also be an NIOS student. हम जो कोर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं, we are using CBSE curriculum along with Cambridge. We are making sure the children are very good communicators. आज बच्चे बहुत शर्माते हैं, they can't speak well. These are promises I can make with you. And yes, we are going ahead. So the date with you is 31st of March. Don't delay. Any questions, the WhatsApp groups are there. You have numbers, email, WhatsApp us, ask us questions. As I said, I wanted to keep this very short. Thank you so much to come on such a short notice. I must specifically thank Christina ma'am and Sanobar ma'am for relentlessly आप लोग को परेशान करने के लिए, उसके लिए मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. I'm sorry. She's been messaging, calling, right? मेरे बच्चों ने, मैं I just took a small break. You know, जरूरत है. तो मेरे बच्चों ने, मेरी बेटियां हैं, उन्होंने खाली एक प्रॉमिस किया, क्रिस्टीना मैम वेरी सॉरी, बोले अब्बा ओनली प्रॉमिस वी आर गोइंग आउट विथ यू, क्रिस्टीना मैम आपको फोन नहीं करे. सो आई सेड यस क्रिस्टीना मैम, मुझे 3 दिन तक फोन मत कीजिएगा, बट शी इज अ वंडरफुल पर्सन. may God bless her for all the effort that we're putting in, and it is wonderful to see people across, you know, across faith, across genders, across regions. हमारे पास बच्चे चेन्नई से हैं, कोलकाता से हैं, पूना से हैं, दिल्ली से हैं, and also primarily people are in Bombay, right? So this is the kind of thing I wanted to share with you. Thank you, Arhan sir. I will answer most of the questions now. I'll open up, and this is all that I had to share. What is the future of hub schooling? When I started, I was uncertain कि लोग accept करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे. Today I'm proud to say we have got 85 students studying in 2 different models. Model 1 is hybrid, which is a physical model in Seawood, because it is done at a premium location. You can ask the details, but that's an expensive one. 1/3 model, uske andar hub schooling hai. Sir, hub schooling is the future e-school. It's a proper complete e-school. Agar aaj aapka bachcha 1 mein hai, to I promise you by 10th, 10 saal, puri duniya, the world will change a lot of iteration will happen, but the child will complete. That is what we are believing in. Faisal sir was doing some job. He's out of his own purse. He's full-time into it. I'm also full-time into it. So are all my team members. The next question is very important. What are the language like, second language isko hum kehte hain, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil. What I've done online, ye saal I've not introduced any language for simplicity, too much of burden. No, cosmetic मुझे काम नहीं करना है. हम लोग ने फ्रेंच पढ़ी है स्कूल में, मैंने संस्कृत पढ़ी है, आप लोग ने कुछ और सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा होगा, मराठी पढ़ी हम बहुत सारे लोगों ने. हमारे बच्चे कितना यूज करते हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी सैड कि जब द लव ऑफ द लैंग्वेज नहीं आता है. व्हेन आई इंट्रोड्यूस, जून से जब क्लास शुरू होगी, देयर विल बी अ प्रॉपर हिंदी सब्जेक्ट, right? Or we will also have spoken regional language, but that'll be optional for the children. मैं आप लोग को academics पढ़ा रहा हूँ, थोड़ी जिम्मेदारी आप पे मैं डालूंगा, that third language or fourth language will be an additional language on you, and I'm sure you can do that in your home. You can do that. Afifa ma'am, hybrid school will start from the first week of June. Primarily, just make a note, I don't remember exact date, but 7th of June 2021, right? 7th of June 2021, the hybrid school will start. You can take enough break. You deserve it, your children deserve it, but we are asking you to register so that I can prepare for my classes and my team. The question on Arabic and Hifz, I know ARC school had this as a full-time model. We are not including that, but we are making provision with a third party, like, a different team. Ustad is there, Abu Bada Academy is there. You will get it add on. Agar aapko chahiye, you can take an add on to it, or if you wish, you can not take it. So this is the provision you're doing. Same thing with the language development. जैसे मैंने दूसरे language के बारे में कहा, language will be add on. I am more focused on the communication skills, on the maths and science skills, and making on business studies. Entrepreneurship is very important, and the ICT computer skills. हमारे पास art as a subject है, life skill as a subject है, social studies में हम SDG पढ़ाने वाले हैं जो United Nation का एक goal है. So I am telling you what I am giving, and others you to add on to it. Arhan sir, no, this is a proper school. E-school, जो Golden Sparrow का hub है, is a full-fledged school. I treat it like a full-fledged school. As I said, it will be completely online. We have a system called hub. Hub का मतलब है अगर आप as a team can combine together, you can take up a place and children want to come there. We put a big screen there. A lot of people have done it. Please speak to me offline and we can discuss how the hub models have been created. For example, hub एक चेन्नई में चल रहा है. बच्चे आते हैं एक जगह में, but we are responsible for HR, for the teachers, for the academics, for the examination and the boards. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It is a complete online e-school. Right, Huzefa, you did not miss out anything. Hybrid model is a model in Navi Mumbai Seawood where children will come physically in a place called WeWork. But this is an expensive model. I'll be honest with you. This one, what I'm asking, e-school is 30,000. That is 3 times more. If you are interested, if you're in Seawood, you can take that. But it's a small group of children who opted for that. What I am more interested in, what I promise you, is quality of education में कोई फर्क नहीं आएगा. And this is the world that we are going through. I'm sorry, I missed your question, Salim sir. Yes, I'll just go up. Okay, yeah, Salim sir has asked a question. Online schooling is here due to COVID. Don't you think gradually you start increasing 45 minutes classes to 4? Right, sir. I completely understand. Salim sir, the idea of thank you so much for asking. I take that. Absolutely agree. I will increase the number of classes, as I said. But right now, the model we have created, sir, of 4 days a week, 12 classes, we make sure that everything is covered in those classes. So just increasing the number will not increase the knowledge the children take. जितनी मैंने research की है, I've understood that एक capacity है बच्चों की school में भी physically also, online also, or that is what introducing. But because some of the other subjects are being introduced, subjects especially like a Hindi or a coding subject, I will make sure that proper timetable is being followed, sir. You might see an additional 1 day more, so 5 days a week जैसे class होती है, so आपके already 3 घंटे और बढ़ जाते हैं.
I would like to add.
Yeah, Faisal, so please go ahead.
The LMS, we have many asynchronous classes which the students can access throughout the day, and they can learn as much as they want, including the languages. We have Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Tamil, Sanskrit, Punjabi. These languages are there in the LMS. The children can go to the LMS. They can use it once they are enrolled with Hub Schooling for free the whole day, and they can do as much learning as they want.
Right. Thank you so much, Faisal sir. A lot of beautiful things. You know, today there are Coursera courses, there are Udemy courses, LinkedIn Learning hai. You know, I promise you that we have a course plan called LinkedIn Learning for 9th and 10th students. Before they graduate, they'll have a LinkedIn profile. क्यों जरूरी है? Because उनकी सोच इस तरह बदलनी चाहिए. That is what we are doing. Afifa ma'am, I'll immediately share in the group. If you're not there, please message me, or Faisal sir. Christina ma'am, just drop your phone number there, so the teachers and the parents can reach out to you. I'll completely give a breakup of the structure. Very simple. You know, as I said, कुछ भी difference नहीं है. It is approximately 30,000 for the juniors for the whole year. which is close to, और हम लोग आपको सिर्फ 10 month के लिए चार्ज कर रहे हैं. We know that 2 महीने छुट्टी है. Why do I charge you for the 2 months? We will pay our teachers for the entire 12 months, but you will be charged for 10 months, and you will be there's additional amount for exam fee. For the higher grades, it's 37,500, but Krishna ma'am has already added to it, and she has given a number. Please make a note of the number, and please reach out to any one of us for that matter. So this is a summary. As a parent, I got a lot of feedback from you individually. I'll be happy if I get few testimonials. सवाल के साथ साथ कभी कोई अच्छा लगता है अगर दो पेरेंट ने ये बताया कि okay, I enjoyed, my student, my son was happy, so I'll be very happy. But some of the testimony I will lead that, sir, I did not expect online schooling to be so much educational. I'm convinced today. This is a message that a parent sent. I'm thankful to the parent, and I'm very happy. I remember Iqbal Saab said something very kind words, and sir, that day was a party. Pawri hori hamari. It was a party for us when parents, educated parents like you, give us positive feedback. Any other suggestion, any other comment? कोई और सवाल है, कोई और suggestion है? Parvez sir, please go ahead and ask me about senior KG. Your son is in senior KG. So the fees, sir, is around 25,000 rupees. Please, for the detail of it, it's already given. It will also be in the group, sir. Yes, Josefa, hybrid school is an optional. Right now, we are only focusing on hub schooling. And hub schooling is an online e-school model. Thank you so much. Right. Any comments, any suggestions? I know Fawzia ma'am, Uzair ki mummy jo hai, unhone, she spoke to me. I'm thankful to all of you for your feedbacks. I'm thankful to all of you for your suggestions, for your inputs, and I'm very. We will do that. Krishna ma'am, please make a note of Parvez sir and add them to the primary school program, pre-primary program rather.
Okay.
So where we are ending, it is एक Zoom session 40 minutes का होता है. Of course, we have taken unlimited sessions. Zoom भी research करता है. वो कहता है इतनी capacity है एक इंसान की कि this is how it is. But we will work it out. Rashid sir, the physical model is 90,000 rupees for the hybrid model. No, we are not shifting, Ismail sir. We are working online, and that's the process. Josefa sir, yes, it is a complete model. Online 10 tak admissions are open. Thank you so much, Salim Saab. It makes a big difference. Jazakallah khair for all the efforts. Yes, it is the teachers who are putting the efforts in, and they're also being challenged. But nahi technology hai, but the world has changed. I just I'll tell you something. Yusra ma'am or parent, 10 a.m. हमारी school शुरू होती है, 10 to 1. If there is any change in hybrid starts at 9 p.m. It's a physical school, but any changes will update you. One of the things that I understood that किसी पेरेंट्स से मेरी बात हो रही थी, उनका बच्चा 1 में था, वो बोर्ड के बारे में सवाल कर रहे थे, और मैंने कहा सर आपका बच्चा 10 साल बाद बोर्ड लिखने वाला है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू एवरीबॉडी, दुनिया 10 साल में बदल जाती है. कोविड ने हमको सिखाया कि 1 साल में दुनिया बदल गई है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज एंजॉय व्हाट इज अवेलेबल टू यू. 10 साल में I believe writing will be redundant. आज कौन लिखता है? आज आप लोग बैठे हैं, आप मोबाइल लेके बैठे हैं. I believe boards will change. I believe universities will be online. अभी I was in Coimbatore, and first time I traveled after 1 year, I met somebody who has an online program. वो बता रहे थे कि University of Scotland ने local एक कार कंपनी के साथ इंडिया में टाई अप किया है ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री देने के लिए. आपका बच्चा 6 महीने के लिए स्कॉटलैंड जाएगा, वहां पढ़ेगा, और बाकी जो काम है वर्कशॉप यहाँ करने वाला है विद मर्सिडीज बेंज. द वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज्ड. Usman sir is asking question, where exams not to be physical even? No, agar 10th board exam will be physical. Father Egnal is always the center usually for the NIS board exam जो अभी के बच्चे लिखेंगे. अभी because it's online, it's a paper and pen exam, but बच्चों को compulsory camera on करना है, teachers monitor कर रहे हैं, watch कर रहे हैं, that's the exam. Arhan sir, very important question. If you want to shift to a physical school, no sir, NIS is a recognized board. Arhan sir, I will share my small video on NIS. It's a Ministry of Education, Government of India board, like a CBSE board. It's like, हमको awareness नहीं है, so that is why we do not know. But no university, no school can reject a child based on NIS. You can RT file हो जाएगा, उनकी accreditation चली जाएगी अगर वो allow नहीं करेंगे तो. I'm so grateful, Jazakallah. Ismail Saab, for both the children. You know, I know your children very well. So this is the wonderful part. Appreciation. My collaboration with ARC School is, until the COVID, we have decided to take entire program online, and that is what Golden Sir has promised it. I met Anwar Saab in December when आपकी online class नहीं हो रही थी. I said, these are children I know. These are children that I love. You know, and अगर कुछ नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे? And that is a collaboration that we have made you as a group. And I said, if you think the online offline jayenge, so I'll be completely supporting for the transition. But my role is completely online in terms of Golden Sparrow. Thank you, Arif sir. Okay, for Saad Bhai, for Hibs, I will make sure that you get Abu Ubada Academy's mobile number and the contact number. If Abdul Karim Saab is there, can you just put it back so everybody can reach out? Urmila ma'am, your message means a lot to me. I'm sorry I'm reading out, it's a private message, but Advait is a wonderful boy, and I am so happy if messages like this come, that I will work on languages. Yes, one of the things that I do not have added it is agar French hai ya Arabic hai ya you know Marathi hai. I know बच्चों के लिए already ये बहुत बड़ा challenge है to study in the school regular subjects. So give me some time before I add a third language. Saad sir, same question there. Give me some time. You know, I had a wonderful Arabic teacher who passed away due to COVID. So, you know, that is he was teaching in another school that we tied up with. जैसे ARC से हमने tie up किया है. There is a school, Shepherd Path International Academy in Delhi, right? उनके साथ tie up किया है. So give me some time to add one more language. But मेरा जो promise है, all the subjects I told you, maths, English, science. English is taught by some of the very good teachers. Number 3 is business studies. मैं चाहता हूँ हमारे बच्चे entrepreneurs बने. They think like entrepreneurs. आज Baiju or you know ये Lenskart or Flipkart, what is it? I want them to think like that. So and by the way, all of you जो language के बारे में जो concerned है, I'm giving you an app. It is an amazing app. See, language learning कभी कभी हम सोचते हैं, हम parents सोचते हैं school डाल दिया, does not matter. Language like French, German, Arabic, by the way, German हमने introduce किया है. They are not learned in school. They are learned in environment. There is an app called Duolingo. Duolingo is one of the best app for learning a language. जो भी language है आपकी, उसमें as a family you can learn. Download Duolingo. You know, उसके अंदर है the family goal है. जैसे for example, अगर आप अरबी सीख रहे हैं, right? For just an example. So you will say Mirwa, Mirsam. You know, Mirsam is pencil, Mirwa is fan, Misbah is like Arabic has a lot of meme words, M words, right? So suddenly पूरी family खेल रही है. आप दिन में 5 मिनट 10 मिनट खेले, your vocabulary will increase. It could be for French, it could be for any language for that matter. Please install Duolingo. अभी at least 2 महीने हमारी और आपकी छुट्टी है. Why don't you make sure you learn it? All of you ask me, I will ask you back कि आपने कितना time spend किया for your own children. All right? I'm a teacher, right? सवाल पूछना मेरी आदत है. So on that note, everybody, thank you so much. Okay, I'll quickly take one more. Parvez sir, I'll just take your son Tawheed in senior KG. Okay, you both are working. Sir, I will make sure that teachers pay attention to your son, but I understand the challenges of working parent. आप लोग on working, I know हम सब work from home कर रहे हैं. मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, पर ये मेरी class है, मेरी बेटी वहाँ बैठी. I don't know. What I'll request you, sir, is I will make sure the teachers pay attention, and they will pay attention. और हमने camera on policy बहुत strictly enforce करना शुरू किया है. Not every time, but at least थोड़े वक्त के लिए. But sir, I'll request you कि give yourself 5 minutes. कि हर क्लास के बीच में you and your wife can step out for 5 minutes and see your son. सर, इसको कहते हैं ग्रैंड मदर्स टेक्निक. ये डॉक्टर सुगाता मित्रा ने हमको सिखाया है कि हमारी दादियां जो थी उनको आता नहीं था, उनको इंग्लिश बोलना भी नहीं आता था, पर सिर्फ पीछे खड़े रह के बोलती थी बहुत अच्छा करे और आगे करो. सर, दैट मोटिवेशन वाज इनफ फॉर अस. प्लीज
No,
यूज
I
द ग्रैंडमदर
understand.
टेक्निक.
I understand those like, but
Yeah, right,
we
right.
both are working means we are not present at the home. We are going out for the work, and when the exam was held, we doesn't comes to know. When we saw the result and all students or all kids result was there, apart from my kid, so we got quite upset. Exactly when the exams was happen, we doesn't comes to know.
Okay.
Because he is quite active. He is quite active
Okay.
in learning and everything. But
Right.
this was happen.
Okay, no, Parvez sir, thank you so much for being so polite. And what I'll request you, I think you were not on the WhatsApp group also. You just gave the number. I realized that. Immediately, we'll make a note. I'll add you to the group number one, so you will get to know about the exam. And number two, just keep checking the group and Google Classroom regularly, because WhatsApp में एक बड़ा challenge WhatsApp का है कि अगर हमने एक मैसेज दिया और चार लोग ने थैंक यू और थम्स अप भी डाल दिया तो मैसेज बहुत जल्दी ऊपर चला जाता है. Google Classroom एक सिंपल ऐप है Google का, उसमें messages will stay. So, sir, my only request is, I know the challenges, and I understand what you're saying. My request is, be on the group and be on the Google Classroom, and I'll ensure you that you will be able to be updated yourself on that. And exam ke liye, do not worry, sir. Senior KG is a very small. I'll just mute you because some noise is coming. Senior KG is a very small group. It's not about pass and fail. It's about understanding. If a child has learned something, he will do better, right? Okay, I will speak to you, brother Naidu, about what is in the see. Whatever the teachers are teaching is also part of the curriculum. What I'll request you is, if there's certain things that sometimes you want to skip a class and say, oh no, my child is not in. Let's say if you introduce a subject like painting, or if I introduce a subject like German or French, and you think it's too much of a heavy burden, inform us and say, I think my child will not be part of this because it's too much a heavy burden. And that is not possible in a regular school. It is possible in an online school. So that is my request to you, right? But I will look into your concern and I'll make sure that does not happen. And I know you very well, so I will respect your views. I'm so sorry if this happened. Lot of problems have arisen because of paper. It will thank you, Nilofer ma'am. I have seen that paper kaise aata hai, kyun aata hai. Also understand, it was pehli baar aapke bacche bhi exam likh rahe the, and coordination was there. I will make sure that this time the paper is given prior hand, it is properly given, and children will be able to write the exam. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि my individual problem, I think सबको यही problem हुआ. It's not the case. Sometimes my internet is poor, yeah, I forgot about the exam, or my child did not read the paper well. So please reach out. That is why the coordinators are there. Sanobar ma'am hai, Christina ma'am hai, the teachers are there. The coordinators का role ही है आपके problem को solve करना. And I promise you that ये parents interaction जो है शायद लंबा हो जाता है कभी-कभी, will continue every regular period, so you're updated. You can address your problem to me and Faisal sir, and we'll make sure we solve it. So thank you so much for your time. Finally, यही आपसे request है कि the hub schooling is the future of education. I believe in that. I believe the quality of education will increase, और मैं ये उम्मीद करता हूँ कि you will give your same trust that आपने अभी दिया. And what I promise you is, if you register before 31st of March, and if I fulfill my numbers, I will not add on more, but the quality will actually improve. Abhi there's some classes been clubbed, will not be clubbed anymore. You'll have separate classes, 1, 2, and the number of students are very important to ensure the quality. Will have limited numbers. School में अगर 50 है तो यहाँ 15 रहेंगे. So you'll know individually. You'll have individual Zoom links. We will train you on how to use technology so that you make maximum benefit. On that note, thank you everybody. Barakallah Feek. Thank you for your support, for your love, for your trust in Golden Sparrow Hub Schooling. And I hope to see you again in the academic year that follows, 21-22. I will share that in the group, Huzaifa sir, and all those. It is, I think, sir, if it's not, I'm not wrong, it's 35,000 for the whole year, and that is the whole thing. Everybody, Jazakallah khair. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful Sunday and keep staying healthy. Keep maintaining, proper etiquettes of social distancing, wearing the mask, washing the hands. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.